Welcome to The Powerful Homeowner, where we help you build, buy, and renovate your home with confidence. You see, that 3-bedroom, 2-bath you bought or you're going to buy, you wanted it on a quiet street with just enough land to make you feel comfortable so you could rest easy. You wanted to be part of a community and you wanted to maybe raise a family. And you're doing just that and you love it. But it's more than just a home. It's actually an asset, which you know. If I told you that there was a way to get more out of that asset or to protect yourself, find those opportunities, and maybe even avoid mistakes in the future, you'd want to know about it, right? My name is Robert LiMandri, and I have been in the business for over 30 years, and I've been a building code, zoning, and permitting expert. In fact, I ran the largest buildings department in the country, the New York City Department of Buildings. What I did find was that owners of homes really don't know the first thing. They're actually at a disadvantage. Developers and contractors, they get it. They know what they're doing. Architects and engineers, been around the block. That's their profession. Being a powerful homeowner doesn't mean just understanding what the DIY options are and learning what the trends are in color and paint and tile. You see, they look at things differently than you as the homeowner. They understand building codes and zoning. They understand what you can do as of right, meaning just getting a permit. They're looking at that 3-bedroom, 2-bath that might need a new kitchen. Developers are like, well, every other home on the block is 3,200 square feet and this one's 2,500. So maybe we could add some square footage and get a better selling price when we flip that home. Every property is governed by a set of regulations, codes and zoning, and tells you things like setback and height. You should absolutely know what that property can do. These things are really important, but the realtor doesn't talk to you about that. They're really interested on whether it's a colonial or a ranch. And the attorney, he's too busy. He'll help you, but you have to ask him pointed questions. And then, of course, the contractor, he just wants to get in and get out as quickly as he can. He wants to deliver good service, but if you don't really notice it, he's not going to bother doing it, right? So you need to arm yourself to know what questions to ask. And if you subscribe and check out our channel, we'll cover things like what is an accessory dwelling unit, short-term rental. And the big thing should be on everyone's mind is whether you're in a flood zone or not, because your insurance rates are starting to climb. So stick with us at The Powerful Homeowner, and we're going to help you understand what questions to ask, how to find out that information on your own, and how to protect yourself and find opportunity. You want to buy and sell and renovate your home with confidence? Then you need to become a powerful homeowner.